Okay, in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to create a manual import bank account and how to import transactions from your bank. So I'm already logged into my bank in another tab here, and so I'll kind of be working with that screen and this screen at the same time. So the first thing you want to do is on the setup wizard, just select the manual entry account and click next, and then give it a name. I'll just name this one checking. And then the opening balance you can set or leave it 0. I'll just set $100 to show you what will happen when you set that. And then click next, and you can see here it's on my bank account list. You can add more bank accounts here, or you can just move on to your budget manager. And this is the $100 starting balance transaction. So I basically just deposited $100 into my checking account. But I'm going to delete this one. See, now our balance is 0, and I'm going to set that. I'm going to create one manually just to show you how that's done if you didn't have the right balance to begin with. So I'm going to go into my checking account here, and the from date, I'm going to just go back to the beginning of the current month and select January 1st and update that. And so my beginning balance is actually going to be here, $4,385.98. So I'll just add that transaction. No number really, I'll just put a dash there and call this starting balance. That is a deposit and it has cleared, so I'll click save. So this is our starting balance. Now I'm going to show you how to import your transactions from your bank. So my bank account, I have this tab called Downloads, and I'll select my checking account. The from date, I'm going to do January 1st again. And download to, I've got 3 options: OFX, QFX, and CSV. I used to have a QIF, but I guess they removed that. But these two are essentially the same. But I'm just going to take OFX and then download. And that'll show up in my downloads folder. So now if I come back here, I'm going to want to click the Import from File button. Select my bank account. The date format is USA. And my file, this is the one I just downloaded. And with the OFX and QFX formats, you can ignore previously imported transactions. So if I were to import this twice, it should ignore them. I can show you how that's done as well. So if I say import, I have all the transactions from those dates. And I'll just show you how that we can ignore those duplicate transactions by importing it again. So I shouldn't have any duplicates here, as you can see. So now you can just go through and start assigning these transactions to their categories. And that's it for this video tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions.